we really enjoy using GSG as our supplier for our products, and multiple products at that, mainly because of the relational value that they bring to us. It's not just a product they give us, but there's a relationship there where they're involved, they're coming by, talking to us, extending services above and beyond, just supplying product. They're involved in all of our associations, so we see them at those events, get to be able to talk about ongoing issues within our industry. If I needed help from anybody at GSG, I know that I can make a phone call, to the owner, to the vice president, to my sales rep, to the inside sales rep, and all of those guys will go above and beyond to help us out, to get us what we need. I can think of several situations where I've needed a product that day, and they brought that to me, through a hot shot, or whether they personally brought it to me. Both situations are true. So I really feel like they go above and beyond and treat us more than just like a customer, but more like family.